Good luck. Here we go. Get that out of here. We're gonna do some Leaf Originals. I was gonna say Origins. Originals. Leaf Originals Wrestling 4 boxes. Good luck. 5 boxes or 5 hits per. Everybody's got 2 wrestlers. Let's see how we do. See how we do. I got my list right here so we can identify who's the winner. Alright. Ah, look at that, right on the front. They're little cards. They're little guys. Like a half a size. Square. We got Tatanka. Right on the top. I already saw that. Tatanka. Tatanka. First hit is Tatanka. Who's hit Tatanka? Bobapat. Not Tatanka. Alright. After that, Missy Hyatt. There's the chick. Look at her, it just signs an M. Missy. Got an M. Rioni. Got Missy Hyatt. Larry Zbyszko. Larry Zbyszko. Mastertrifecta. These are all people that are in the second half of the list of names, I should point out. Fittingly, I guess. Then we got Dan Severn. Boom. Look, he's got 3 freaking belts on him right there.
Oh, yeah.
Boom. Belt. Dan Severn.
Dan the Beast Severn.
Just got that guy. Powder. That's even second. Then we got original piece of artwork. What?
101?
We got the original piece of artwork redemption.
Oh, what? Sick.
Look at this. Aw, snap. That's pretty cool. So we got a 101 of the painting. Leaf Original Wrestling's actual piece of work will be revealed when redeemed. Oh, you don't know who it is.
Oh, no.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
We should redeem it and send it to whoever gets it. Or random. Wow, that's crazy. We'll figure out what happens. That's nuts. Wow, you get like a 101, but you don't know who it is to redeem it. Ah, fuckers.
Damn.
Random to random to all. We can do that. Yeah. Well, whatever. We'll see. Check the back of the cards for variations. Letter A is a variation. Like these two, Tat and LZ1. Letters A, those have A's in front of them. Are those variations? A, LZ1, A, Tat, Tatanka? I don't know. You said it has a if it's a variation. Alright, there you go. Variations. Box dose. Learning as we go. Learning as we go. And the yellow is numbered, the Severn. Wow. You're so correct. Numbered at 99, Dan Severn. Ah, he is the only colored one. My goodness. This is crazy stuff. I've never seen a product like this. They've got numbers and colors and there's like different color autographs. Oh my, this one's colored in green.
Oh, Bob Backlund.
Bob Backlund for Bobapat.
His championship.
He goes with Tatanka. The first guy, first break was Tatanka, and Backlund. They're the combo. That's the combo. Backlund Tatanka.
Is it numbered?
Look at Kamala. No, it's not numbered. Kamala. Got a damn moon painted on his stomach. Sick. Kamala. Sport card opener got Kamala. Not a variation. We got another Dan Severn with only 1 belt on his shoulder. Look at all these Dan Severns. We got a gold one. This is the variation. Ooh, this guy's got to be good. He's on the cover of the damn box. Yeah.
Sheik.
We got the Sheik.
Yeah.
The Iron Sheik. Who's got the Iron Sheik? Stout 79. Boom. There we go. That's the variation. Bam! We're doing it. Powder killing it right here. Lex Luger to 99. Sick. That goes with the Dan Severn art. He's got Lex Luger and Dan Severn together. Holy smokes. Jeez. That's number to 99, 49.99. And the Chic variation. Hey. Man, this stuff's hot. Woo! I like it. Fun times. Next, there we go. Lex Luger, Bob Backlund. The Chic. Looks like another redemption in here. This is Rick Steiner of the Steiner brothers. Sport card opener. Got Rick Steiner and Kamala. Oh, that one fell. Sorry. Comes in a protector though, so he's definitely good. Not a variation. This is a autograph card of Jimmy Hart. Variation or redemption. Jimmy Hart. The Mouth of the South. There you go. Briophia's got Jimmy Hart. Boom. Alright. Diamond Dallas Page. DDP. Diamond Dallas Page. That is for Lilmaz. Lilmaz has Dallas Page. Boom. That is a variation. Ah, there's the Honky Tonk, man. Sick. Right on the top. Adamjaiello. The gold back, number to 99. The Honky Tonk, man. There he is. Adam's got a hit. Numbered out of 99. 9 of 99 on the Honky Tonk. And we got another gold one. This is Vader. Sport card opener got Vader. 2 to 99. Vader. 14 out of 99. Cool. Alright. Last one. Good luck. 3 boxes down. Box 4. That's it. The Polish Hammer. There he is. You guys are talking about him. There he is. Ah. Got him. The Hammer.
Random.
That's a random?
Yeah.
Ah, really? Ah, jeez. Right, random. Is that a variation too? No. There's another double D. Diamond Dallas Page. Second one of him. This has to be the variation. The other one was like one of them was. Ah, the first one was a variation. That's the regular. Then we got Tony Atlas. Tony Atlas.
Huge, man.
What's that? Oh, Tony Atlas, how big he was?
Yeah.
Yeah. Stout 79's got Tony Atlas. Oh, the Brain! That's a variation, Tony Atlas. We got Bobby the Brain. There he is. Ah, sick one. I like that one. Bobapat's got Bobby the Brain. Nice. The last one. There it is! I did not bet on baseball. I didn't do it. We got it. Number 99. Pete Rose. 1 per case. Alright, that's pretty good. Well, we only have 4 boxes. We didn't have a case. So I think we'd be pretty good. Jerks. Jeez. Yeah! Woo! Look at him. What's he saying right there? What do you think he's saying right there? Come on. Whoever leaves the best comment at what Pete Rose is saying right here in the comments on this YouTube video, I'm going to send a free card to. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, Tubers. That's wrestling.